as the monorail rolls in from yonder. Good morning, Magic Kingdom. Look at all the awesome decorations. It's pretty much the most perfect day to come to Walt Disney World. Right now we're headed to Magic Kingdom to go check out some of the new Halloween decorations. And also there's a new version of Celebrate the Magic, which is pretty exciting because it has a lot of villains on there. And we've been hearing about this for a while, but it's finally come to fruition. So I'm excited. Let's check it out. So if you've ever wondered how they get up there to pressure wash the windows, that's how. I think we found the Halloween merchandise, guys. So this is a store inside of the Grand Floridian called M. Mickey Merchantile, and already they have so much Halloween merch. One of the cool things that I like is this little Halloween countdown, and you take these little squares out and you can flip them around, and it shows you how many days there are till Halloween. I think the store is called Basin B. White. It's basically a very like smelly good store. On the way to the monorail, which is over there, you actually have these cool new Halloween smell goods. All right, everybody, so we are at the entrance to Magic Kingdom, and here's the start of the Mickey's Not So Scary decorations. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these jack-o'-lanterns are huge.
I did an interview right on the spot.
All right. Up here, you have some new Halloween drop-down decorations, sort of like banners on the train station. Every time a new holiday comes up, they actually change all these topiaries and flowers to match the holiday. So this is brand new over here. And also you have pumpkins all throughout this patch here. It's actually really cool. The mayor really let himself go. Does anybody know her name? The Main Street Marching Band doesn't look the same as it used to. Literally just see these pumpkins everywhere you walk. And these actually light up at night, guys, so I'll show you later tonight when they light up. City Hall looking beautiful as ever. If you look up really high, you can see all these different jack-o'-lanterns, and they really actually have some pretty cool ones this year. This Casey Corner dude has a baseball in his mouth. Hey, it's Marie. More pumpkins right in front of the castle. This guy looks like he works at the bakery over there on Main Street, and this one at the confectionery. Here's how Town Square Theater looks. What's up, Goof? Even Tony's is all falled out. Look at that. More jack-o'-lanterns. All right, so it's time to go on a jack-o'-lantern spotting spree. This one looks like a fire hydrant, and that one is spotted. Oh, it's Dalmatians, I get it. Car, barn, and barbershop looking lovely. Guys, it's the Tim Tracker pumpkin version. It looks like we actually have Disney Parks filming something right now inside the parks. So my favorite decoration so far might actually be the Emporium. Look at the way that the garland just wraps all the way up the building. It's a pumpkin snowman. One of the cool things about these jack-o'-lanterns is they're actually themed per the store that they're in front of. So this one's in front of the theater, so it's themed like a row of film. There's just a random ghost. Right in front of the watch store, we have some watch-themed pumpkins, you can see. But right in the middle of that watch is a hidden Mickey. Found some more jack-o'-lanterns above the toy store. The Witch, Nightmare Before Christmas Key, the classic spider. But here's what this little secret alleyway in Main Street looks like. Well, I found my favorite pumpkin. This pumpkin was cool before pumpkins were even cool, bruh. Main Street, so right outside of the ice cream parlor, we have some ice cream themed jack-o'-lanterns. There's a sundae, I think. Another ice cream cone. A spilled ice cream cone. Oh no, it's Batman. There's some baseball bats outside of Casey's Corner. It's a hot dog. Some fries. How cool is that? There goes a soda, and it looks like a baseball. There's nobody here. Here's a better view of what the east side of the castle hub looks like, or the hub grass rather.
Yo, have a great time!
Woo!
I said, have a great time!
Woo! Alright guys, so I am literally periscoping as we speak. It's kind of hard to do both at once, but let's check out some Halloween merch. This is new, this hasn't been here before. Just take one bite. I like these cool villain candles. To get Mickey head pumpkin lights for the house, or not to get Mickey head pumpkin lights for the house. It's the dance!
Attention everyone! We have a couple here married 7 years.
Yeah!
Let's give them a big round of applause so far.
Woo!
They got another 47 years to go.
Look at all these pumpkin buckets for Mickey's Not So Scary. Pretty cool. They actually light up too. This cool thing, which I actually got recently from a friend, Mike the dog trainer and Jessica Nails recently bought this, so this is sitting at my apartment on my counter. Look at these Halloween versions of Mickey and Minnie. There's also these Jack cookies, which are pretty cool. And look, popcorn buckets. Oh, this is also cotton candy, huh? Coffin-shaped goofy gummy worms. More Halloween goodies from the confectionery. Haunted Mansion blue popcorn. All right, guys, so those are the Halloween decorations and merch over here at Magic Kingdom. What we're gonna do is hop over to Hollywood Studios because we have some fast passes over there. But afterwards, we're actually gonna hop back over to Magic Kingdom and see what everything looks like at night. We made it. Park number 2. Woohoo! Good old Crossroads. It's my best friend, guys. We've been through a lot together. There's new Star Wars themes for these windows. I don't know who this person is, but he looks awesome. So a guest walking by told me it was Kylo Ren. Is that right, guys? I do know that guy. That's BB-8.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Who is that?
Oscar winner Kathy Bates!
Kathy Bates! Oh, look at that star!
It's time for some Beauty and the Beast.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a young prince lived in a shining castle. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope. For who could ever learn to love a beast?
There goes the baker with his tray like always. The same old bread rolls to sell. Every morning just the same since the morning that we came to this warm provincial town.
Good morning, Belle!
No one hits like Gaston, matches wits like Gaston. In a spinning match, nobody spits like Gaston. I'm especially good at expectorating a tree. 10 points for Gaston.
I want adventure and from breaks right somewhere. And for once to light be bent, to help someone understand. I want so much more than they've got planned.
Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest, please be our guest.
She glanced this way, I thought I saw. And when we touched, she didn't shudder at my paw. Though it can't be, I'll just ignore. But then she's never looked at me that way before.
What's there, Mama?
I'll tell you when you're older.
So, he's mine!
At least, I get to see you one last time.
Please don't beat me. I love you.
Belle! It's me!
It is you.
I love that show. But now we are headed to the Tower of Terror Hotel, which we have a fast pass for, but it's only 10 minutes, which is pretty crazy. So a cast member just pointed out, and I completely forgot, I'm wearing a Tower of Terror shirt from Tokyo, which Viva La Juicy sent me. So if you want to follow Viva La Juicy, she's on Instagram. It looks like they got a Disney Parks photo shoot going on over there. Never seen that before.
This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Roaming through the parks right now, and who do we run into? The amazing Tradzak. Hello. All right, guys, so if you are not following this gentleman on Instagram, you need to. He keeps you updated on almost everything in the Walt Disney World parks, and he just takes incredible pictures, like pictures I couldn't even dream of taking. Go follow him. I'll put it right here on the screen, and yeah. I did it, guys. I'm finally famous. So that is a brand new sign for Watto's Grotto, which is actually part of the new Star Wars expansion through this little store over here. Toy Story Mania is officially 70 minutes, but luckily we have a fast pass. All right, we're gonna grab our glasses. Row 8. All right, so on Toy Story Mania, this is actually how you shoot. So it's a little bit harder than it looks. Oh, 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 it's so hard. It's so hard.
And beyond. Great work, players.
Hey, I won! I won! Hey, 66,000 is not bad for one hand. Hey, so it changed to Disney Springs on the bus information sign. All right, and we are back to Magic Kingdom for the nighttime festivities. Let's go check it out. So like I was saying earlier, these pumpkins actually light up when it turns nighttime, which is pretty cool. These are probably two of the most impressive pumpkins in the park. It's a Restroom Pumpkin, I didn't even notice that before. I'm noticing a lot more of these jack-o'-lanterns in the windows that I didn't even notice during the day. And if you ask me, it kind of looks like a weird shaped hidden Mickey. A couple more jack-o'-lanterns above the Emporium that I couldn't even see before. They were almost hidden.
Boys and girls, in just 10 minutes.
We just made it through a crazy crowd to get here, but it looks like we have a great spot for Celebrate the Magic. It's actually the Halloween edition, so I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Oh, hey, hot lady with a hot hat. Ooh. So this is a premiere opportunity to promote this brand new hat that Imagineer actually just sent to me. For those of you wondering, this is a Mickey's Not So Scary hat. And the cool thing about this is that these eyeballs actually glow in the dark. Imagineer, you've done it once again. If you're not already following Imagineer, go do it. Go follow Imagineer. She's awesome. You should buy some stuff. Baby Belle says goodnight.
So cute. I just got my makeup on.
It's time to you smudge the window. All right, guys. Once again, we are closing out a night. It's that moment when you just don't want to go. All right, guys. Well, I don't want this vlog to end, but it looks like it's gonna have to. Where's Mickey? True. Mickey's always happy. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this Halloween special edition vlog. I love you very much, and I'll see you in the next vlog, which will be next week. Main Mafia out.
See what good fishing can do?